Shri Om Birla is declared elected as the Speaker of this House. Since the first motion moved by Shri Narendra Modi has been adopted, the motions moved thereafter have become infructuous. I invite Shri Om Birla to occupy the chair.
इन्होंने डिवीजन फोर्स नहीं किया है, इसलिए
We have already crossed that stage. I invite Shri Om Birla to come up and occupy the chair.
तो लोकसभा अध्यक्ष पद के लिए ओम बिरला को चुन लिया गया है। लोकसभा अध्यक्ष पद के लिए आज फैसले का दिन था, जिसमें नंबर गेम में ओम बिरला आगे निकल गए हैं और ओम बिरला को अध्यक्ष पद के लिए चुन लिया गया है। बड़ी खबर आपको बता रहे हैं, लोकसभा अध्यक्ष पद के लिए ओम बिरला को चुन लिया गया है। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने उनको बधाई दी है और राहुल गांधी ने भी ओम बिरला को बधाई दी है। ओम बिरला स्पीकर चुने गए हैं लोकसभा के।
आपके चेयर है, आप संभालें प्लीज।
Shri Kiren Rijiju ji.
Honorable Speaker, sir, before the business could begin, I would like to thank Shri Bhartuhari Mehtab, who has discharged his duties as Speaker Pro Tem. He has completed entire proceedings of oath and affirmation very smoothly within 2 days until the election of the Honorable Speaker this morning. I profusely thank him on behalf of the government and Honorable Prime Minister also. I also thank the panel of chairpersons for their valuable contribution. I also thank the Secretary General of Lok Sabha and staff of Lok Sabha Secretariat who have completed the work within the time frame under the guidance of the Speaker Pro Tem and the panel of chairpersons. On behalf of the entire House, I thank all of them. Once again, I thank all the honorable members for your cooperation.